Greetings, titans of 21st century industry. Buckle up because we're about to blast off into the future of automation in business as the power tool of small and mid-sized business, and where automation and artificial intelligence isn't replacing you, but it's becoming your secret weapon for market leadership. Now, you might be thinking, AI? That's just a fancy calculator for hipsters. But that's not the reality of AI automation in business today. It is in fact like having a team of hyper-caffeinated analysts whispering golden insights in your ear. But here's the thing. AI automation is a tool that must be properly designed, structured, and implemented by the experts in the field. As if applied incorrectly, the most well-intended automation could result in more harm than a benefit to your business. We're not replacing workers with robots. The real gold lies in AI augmenting human talent and allowing professionals to be creative, while automation handles all of the administrative tasks with ease and accuracy. We're living in the age of letting automation handle the data crunching, freeing your brilliant business minds for innovation and strategic brilliance. Embrace the learning curve. The optimal AI isn't plug and play. Understand its capabilities and limitations and watch your business reach heights never imagined before. Don't get caught in the hype of AI-powered everything if you and your team can't use it. Apply it or understand how it's best utilized in your business. Data-driven business is the new standard, and quality automated data is king, but quality trumps quantity. Focus on clean, relevant automated data sets that are delivered in real time as needed. We partner with you to foster a culture of collaboration between your professional teams and AI. AI is a tool, and you and your organization are the master craftsmen. AI automation is still widely unfamiliar, and AI bias is still a challenge. We partner with you to become the leader who champions responsible AI automation development. AI is a living technology. Stay curious, keep learning, and adapt as AI evolves. Master these keys, and you'll harness the power of AI without succumbing to the hype. The future belongs to the businesses that leverage automation technology, not fear it. So go forth and conquer before you realize you've been left behind. So are you ready to take your business to the next level? Whether your company needs expertise in automating business processes, coaching, or selling your business as you exit, Automation Architects is here to help. We are your one-stop shop for affordable, industry-agnostic automation solutions. Imagine a world where you and your team are free to build the future innovations in products and services by being freed from the daily grind, where you can focus on what truly matters: growing your business, servicing your clients, and maximizing profits. Automation Architects, make that world a reality. Our team of automation architects and engineers will work with you to identify the areas where AI can revolutionize your workplace and workday. From streamlining operations to enhancing customer interactions, we provide tailored solutions that fit your unique business needs. Don't just dream about the future. Come build it with us. Contact Automation Architects today for a free, no-obligation automation analysis, and let us help your business soar to new heights. Let's chat about how AI can transform your workday. Your journey to success starts now.